Hello guys, this is I'm a Pet Dog. I'm on a spare account I made. Oh, another bunny. Or I just am doing the claw. I'm not doing this on my natural account because my inventory is not full. What I have earned so far, well, I'm also doing Phantom Invasion, which I'm much better at Phantom Invasion than the claw. You can't really choose what you get from Phantom Invasion or the claw. I've earned this little deer. That's so cute. I've earned this raccoon, this giraffe. Oh, come on. I can't. There we go. And this big monkey. There. I think I might want to keep the plushies. I love that little adorable deer. So cute, so cute, so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'm gonna put that 100. For some reason. I don't know why. Now I'm going to try to get more plushies. I'm also going to be trying getting plushies since there's deer plushies. And deer plushies I just love. Ooh, got a plushie. Yay. Whoa, yay. Special effect raccoon plushie. That's just awesome possum. Yay. Come on. Aw, nothing. Have you ever watched Despicable Me 2? My little brother. His nickname is Thunder for YouTube because I cannot share the real names. And now, yay! Zapped it. Now die, Phantom, yay! It's dead. Is that a knife in its hand? Or what is that? This is fun. And now, yay! See, look, now I just won twice in a row. Hey, I like that elephant toy. I really do. I like it. Oh my gosh, the fast ones are hard though. Fast, hard, so hard. Yay, I got it. Yay! You won. Bunny toy. I'm gonna try the claw. The claw. What am I saying? I'm saying claw. That's nonsense. Nonsense voices. How did I just do that? Nonsense voices. This is very easy to do and hard. I have no idea if you understood what I was saying. Little deer. Deer plushies are so cute. Oh wow. Did I have more luck? Is this where I had more luck? In here? The Conversation Museum? I know why it's called that. So look, conservation. And that says museum. So conservation. Is that even a word? If it is, I don't really know what it means. Conservation. Okay, look, conservation. Yay, got a plushie. Tion is shin. So that's why I know it says that. Conversation. Yeah. Okay, whatever it is. Now time for the claw. Me want deer plushie. Me want deer plushie. This video is called what should I name it? Because first you record and then you name the video. What should it be called? I'm going to call this. Oh, sorry about that. I just coughed. This is going to be called Animal Jam Phantom Invasion of the Claw. I just spelled invasion. I need to see that. I think I know how, but I don't know for sure. Let me see. Invasion. Okay, that's easy. Back to here. Yeah. Deer. Wait, how many deer plushies do I have? For some reason, I want to send that deer plushie to my natural account, and I'm just typing so wrong. I'm a pet dog. Doggy, 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 doggy. Whoa, deer plushie. I'm gonna log on real quick. Now, my voice is a little froggy, especially when I talk. When I just talk normally, it goes through the sound system and it just changes it all up. So my voice may not be sounding like my normal voice. And also, when I type the name of my videos, usually I end up typing a letter wrong on accident. It doesn't mean I don't know how to spell it. It's just I accidentally typed something wrong. Okay. I'm gonna pause when I type my password real quick. No, just there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, pausing. Okay, now it's loading. That's how much I don't want to get hacked. No. That's how much I do not want to get hacked. I don't want to get hacked out of anything. Now, how many deer plushies do I have again? Well, pal, I love this music. Jam session. I don't know if you can hear it. It's my favorite, and this is Beta Paradise here. I've been playing Animal Jam for a very long time, since I was in 1st grade, and I'm in 3rd grade, so that's about 2 years. Or it is 2 years. Whenever I'm talking to somebody, in my den, we usually sit here, and we sip tea. Thank you for the adorable deer plushie. It's so adorable. Who wants to go to a new home? This is what I want to do. I don't want to recycle deer plushies. I mean, bleh, not deer plushies. I don't want to recycle plushies at all because they're just so adorable. You just look everywhere and see adorable black eyes, and I just imagine them getting bigger and bigger. So I just imagine them when I recycle them that they're going to a new home. So who wants to go to a new home? Then I just make somebody say, I do. In a little chipmunk voice. I don't recycle these guys. They like each other. They're friends. So who wants to go to a new home? Anybody? 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 I do. Okay. Be happy. So that's what I do. I just calm for recycling them. When I try to recycle them without that strategy, I just can't. I just say no for recycling them. I just can't. It's just too hard. My sister is the best. Whoa, see, look. I have a lot of deer plushies. See, look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Hey, where's my... Oh, yeah, I only do it. Now I have 13. Come here. I'm going to name you... No, don't want to move that. Nah, don't want to move that. Now your name's going to be Polka Dot. Your name's going to be Polka Dot. There, the black one actually has someone to sit next to. Yay! And this cloud is not rare. My sister, which is the best sister in the universe, T, sent me all her rares, except for her rare fox hat, because that's something I gave to her. And I gave her $7 for payback because she really wanted Minecraft on her computer. And she sent me these things for rare nerd glasses. She badly wanted those. once I got scammed out of one of these. So, 100 rocks, my friend. She sent me the rare item Monday, which is awesome. Bone arrows. Rare phantom hat. See, look, everything's gonna say rare on here, except for the armor. Spear armor. Rare astronaut helmet. Spirit helmet. Head feather. No, I want to send the head feather back. I just do. It looked so cute on her bunny. I just want to send it back. What should I recycle? What should I recycle? What should I recycle? What should I recycle? Okay, you go to a new home. I even do that with my items sometimes. I have no idea why. And I only have 4 minutes left for recording. Have this once back. I have to say once because it won't let us type one. Let's see. Have this one back. I like it on your bunny. I really do. Head feather. Here, I just really like it on your bunny. No. Nah, da. She even sent me her rare bow. I'm sorry if this feels like bragging. I'm really not trying. Oh, that was her head feather. Her reindeer mask. She liked that one too. I want to send that one back too. She is poor. I'm trying to find the spirit glove. Where is the spirit glove? Cupcake! Where is it? Now I only have 3 minutes left. Why do minutes go so fast? My parents have been sleeping for hours. And here it is. Spirit glove. Yay! And I made a new animal. La di la di da. La di di di. Which it's this one. La. I'm keeping a space open for another animal. Emo Slasha? Who are you? I don't remember. Pinkworn. I want Pinkworn. I don't have Pinkworn anymore. And ooh, matching. Give it back. Oh, probably Demon Mask and those winks, I guess. Just testing this out. Just testing this out. I badly want pink one. Access to Horse Lover to XX. Said to put something cool on trade. So I put Freedom Wings on trade. Then she traded a pink one for it, and I accepted. And I fell in love with the pink one. Then, like a month later, which was this month, she's like, "I want my warrant back." I'm like, "What warrant?" Because I sort of forgot about that. I'm like, "What warrant?" She said I was scamming, and that's not scamming. Then I'm like, "Oh, that warrant, fine." Finally, I traded back the pink warrant, and she just started being mean, and she just didn't. Just wasn't so nice. And that's not scamming. Nothing really. Just recording. There. I keep typing 3 years. OMG, sup girl. Okay, BRB, I'm gonna end this. Well, thank you guys for watching so much. Now, bye.